Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 12. Sa video na ito ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang Manage Barangay Officials section sa Barangay Services Management module. Ang section na ito ay ginagamit para i-maintain ang official list ng barangay leaders and staff. Dito naka-record ang pangalan ng official, designation, incumbency status, term period, and related resident profile photo. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Services Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Services screen, pumunta sa Manage Barangay Officials section. Dito makikita ang table ng Barangay Officials. The table may show important information such as photo, resident name, designation, incumbent, incumbency from, incumbency to, and available actions such as edit, delete, and status controls. The purpose of this section is to maintain an accurate and updated registry of barangay officials. This includes officials such as Punong Barangay, Barangay Secretary, Barangay Treasurer, Kagawad, and other official positions. One important rule is that only registered residents can be assigned as barangay officials. This ensures that official records are connected to actual resident records already stored in BIMS. To add a new official, click Add Official. The system will allow the user to select a resident from the drop-down list, assign the official designation, enter term details, and save the record. When adding an official, make sure the selected resident is correct and the designation is properly assigned. If an existing official record needs to be updated, click Edit. This allows authorized users to update information such as designation, term dates, or incumbency details. There is also a delete action. This should be used very carefully because deleting an official removes the record permanently. Only authorized users should perform this action. Another important feature is the incumbent status. This tells whether an official is currently serving or already a former official. If the status is yes, the person is an active official. If the status is no, the person is a former official. This helps separate current leadership records from historical records. The section also has an incumbent filter. This filter can be used to show only active officials. The reset button can be used to display all records again. For photo handling, each official is automatically linked to the resident profile photo. If no photo is available, a placeholder image is displayed. When the resident photo is updated, the official photo can also reflect the updated resident data. This section follows role-based access control. Authorized users can add, edit, or delete officials, while other users may only have view-only access. Sa right side or help context, makikita ang guide explaining the purpose of this section, how to add officials, how to edit, how to delete, how incumbent status works, filtering, photo handling, access control, and key benefits. The key benefit is that barangay leadership records remain accurate, up-to-date, traceable, and integrated with resident data. Maintaining correct official records is important because these records may be used in reporting, certification, governance references, and other official barangay functions. In summary, ang process ay simple. Open Barangay Services Management. Go to Manage Barangay Officials. Review the official list. Use Add Official to assign a new official. Use Edit to update records. Use incumbent filtering when needed. And use Delete only with proper authorization and caution. The Manage Barangay Officials section helps the barangay maintain a reliable official registry connected to resident records. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang Manage Certification Purposes section. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to manage barangay officials. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS App po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.